Did you know that Japanese diesel vehicles routinely achieve over 500,000 miles while American and European diesels often fail before 200,000? The difference isn't in the engineering, it's in the maintenance philosophy that Japanese drivers and fleet operators have perfected over decades. Today I'm revealing the Japanese approach to diesel car maintenance that has kept commercial fleets running for millions of miles with minimal major repairs. These aren't expensive procedures or secret products. They're methodical habits based on understanding diesel engines as precision instruments that reward consistent care. Make sure to watch till the end because the final Japanese principle completely changes how you think about diesel car ownership and could be the difference between a 200,000-mile engine and a 500,000-mile engine. Let's start with the foundational Japanese principle that everything else builds on. Secret number 1, kaizen, continuous small improvements. The Japanese concept of kaizen means continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. Applied to diesel car maintenance, this means constantly refining your approach based on what you learn about your specific engine. Japanese diesel operators don't just follow maintenance schedules blindly. They observe, document, and adjust their approach based on how their specific engine responds to different treatments. They track fuel economy trends, oil consumption patterns, and performance changes to identify optimal maintenance intervals. For example, instead of changing oil every 10,000 miles because the manual says so, they might discover that their specific driving conditions require 7,500-mile intervals for optimal protection. They document this change and monitor results to confirm the improvement. This approach extends to every aspect of maintenance. They might discover that their engine performs better with a specific brand of fuel, responds well to particular additives, or benefits from modified warm-up procedures. The key is making these discoveries through careful observation and systematic testing. The kaizen principle means your maintenance approach should evolve and improve over time, not remain static throughout the vehicle's life. Secret number 2, preventive replacement, not reactive repair. Japanese maintenance philosophy emphasizes replacing components before they fail, not after problems develop. This approach prevents cascade failures where one failed component damages others. For diesel cars, this means replacing fuel filters before they restrict flow, changing air filters before they reduce performance, and replacing belts and hoses before they crack or leak. The cost of preventive replacement is always less than the cost of failure-related damage. Japanese operators maintain detailed replacement schedules for wear items that go beyond manufacturer recommendations. They replace components at 70 to 80% of their expected lifespan rather than running them to failure. This philosophy extends to fluid changes as well. They change coolant before it becomes acidic, replace brake fluid before it absorbs too much moisture, and change transmission fluid while it still provides optimal protection. The preventive approach requires more frequent small expenses, but prevents the large unexpected costs that destroy budgets and strand vehicles. Secret number 3, omotenashi, meticulous attention to detail. Omotenashi is the Japanese principle of anticipating needs and providing perfect service. Applied to diesel maintenance, this means paying attention to details that others might overlook. Japanese maintenance includes cleaning and inspecting components during every service, not just changing fluids and filters. They clean battery terminals, inspect wiring harnesses, check exhaust system mounting points, and verify that protective covers and shields are secure. They maintain detailed visual records of component condition over time, photographing wear patterns, corrosion development, and any changes in appearance. This documentation helps identify developing problems before they become failures. The omotenashi approach means treating every maintenance session as an opportunity to improve the vehicle's condition, not just maintain it. Small improvements accumulate over time to create dramatically better long-term reliability. Secret number 4, Gemba, understanding the actual operating conditions. Gemba means the real place and refers to understanding actual conditions rather than assumptions. Japanese diesel operators spend time understanding exactly how their vehicles are used and adjust maintenance accordingly. They analyze actual driving patterns, load conditions, and environmental factors that affect their specific vehicles. A diesel car used primarily for city commuting gets different maintenance treatment than one used for highway travel or mountain driving. This understanding influences everything from oil change intervals to component replacement schedules. They recognize that manufacturer recommendations are generic guidelines that must be adapted to actual operating conditions. The Gemba principle also means understanding seasonal variations, regional fuel quality differences, and even driver habits that might affect vehicle longevity. This knowledge informs maintenance decisions at every level. Secret number 5, Poka-yoke, mistake-proofing maintenance procedures. Poka-yoke is the Japanese approach to preventing errors through systematic procedures and checks. Applied to diesel maintenance, this means developing foolproof routines that prevent costly mistakes. Japanese maintenance procedures include verification steps that prevent wrong fluids, incorrect torque specifications, or forgotten components. They use checklists, color coding, and systematic organization to eliminate human error. For example, they might organize all fluids by color-coded containers to prevent mixing coolant with brake fluid, or use torque-limiting tools to prevent over-tightening that could damage components. The Poka-yoke approach extends to record keeping as well. They maintain systems that make it impossible to forget maintenance items or lose important vehicle history information. Secret number 6, Shokunin, craftsman's dedication to excellence. Shokunin represents the craftsman's spirit of pursuing perfection through dedicated practice. Japanese diesel maintenance embodies this principle through unwavering commitment to quality work. This means never rushing maintenance procedures, never accepting good enough results, and constantly working to improve skills and knowledge. Each maintenance session is an opportunity to practice and refine techniques. The Shokunin approach values doing things right over doing things quickly. Japanese maintenance takes whatever time is necessary to achieve optimal results, understanding that shortcuts create future problems. This dedication extends to tool quality and workspace organization. Professional-grade tools, clean work areas, and systematic organization support the goal of perfect maintenance execution. Secret number 7, Motonai, eliminating waste through maximum utilization. Motonai is the Japanese principle of regret over waste and the importance of using resources completely. In diesel maintenance, this means maximizing the life and value of every component and fluid. This principle drives the Japanese approach to used oil analysis, where oil is tested to determine its actual condition rather than change based solely on mileage. They might discover that their specific operating conditions allow extended intervals, or they might find that certain conditions require shorter intervals. Motonai also means maintaining components to their maximum safe lifespan rather than replacing them prematurely. This requires understanding how to assess component condition accurately and knowing when replacement is truly necessary. The principle extends to fuel efficiency as well. Japanese operators constantly work to optimize driving techniques, route planning, and vehicle loading to minimize fuel waste and reduce engine stress. The final secret, Ikigai, finding purpose in long-term thinking. Ikigai represents finding purpose and meaning in daily activities. For Japanese diesel car owners, this means viewing maintenance not as a burden, but as an investment in long-term transportation security. This long-term perspective changes every maintenance decision. Instead of minimizing immediate costs, they optimize total lifetime value. They understand that consistent, high-quality maintenance creates vehicles that provide reliable service for decades. The Ikigai approach means celebrating maintenance milestones, taking pride in vehicle condition, and viewing each properly executed service as progress toward the goal of extreme longevity. This philosophy creates emotional investment in vehicle care that transcends simple mechanical maintenance. When you find purpose in caring for your diesel car, you naturally make decisions that support long-term success.